Welcome everybody. Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. The person who's narrating the video is me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. I'm saying this again and again, but sorry for that. But let's get into today's video. Today's video is on how you guys can fix your Facebook Marketplace not showing up. As you guys can see on my shortcut bar at the bottom, there is Home, Friends, Watch, Profile, Notification menu. Where's the Marketplace button? Well, don't worry about it because I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can see that Marketplace button over here. Alright, so by the end of this video, there's going to be a Marketplace button on your screen as well. So before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on with the video. First step, you open your Facebook and you're gonna go on the menu button at the bottom. And where you see the setting button at the top right corner, right beside the little search icon, just click on it. Now once you click on it, you can see the shortcuts icon on the preference tab right below notifications. You wanna click on shortcuts. Once you click on shortcut, you wanna go on versus shortcut bar over here. Now once you go on shortcut bar, there's going to be Marketplace and it's on auto. So what you want to do is click on auto and click on versus pin. Once you click on pin, it's going to be pinned at the bottom. As you guys can see, my Marketplace has just appeared. Alright, so that's how you guys can do it. So it's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful on how you guys could fix your Facebook Marketplace not showing up, then just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.